I got this 2019 Colorado that I'm working on. Got some damage to the roof, so I'm about to take this headliner out. Just similar to the Silverados. Of course, this has to come out. You got screw here, screw there. That's usually Torx 15s. Same on this side. Of course, this has to come down and drop to give it room to come out. You have to unplug this. Oh, my bad. You have to unplug this. You got those in the back that have to come out. Just drop down so it gives it room to come out. And then the biggest part, you have to get the windshield out because there's no room to finagle it without wrinkling it. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'll catch y'all back on. You can see the windshield is out. So pull it out.
I just wanna apologize in advance. I guess been better than niggas wasn't part of the plan. I see that change gon' make them change the ones who thought was your right hand. And them niggas gon' envy when they see that you won't win. Like when them lights turned off. That's how you know that baby with it, but when them stage lights on, he don't hear nothing.